Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. So, our group is G1, and we are presenting our major assignment in this presentation. Um, in this presentation, it outlines the design and deployment of a secure, scalable, and cost effective hybrid cloud network for ACME manufacturing, a mid sized company modernizing its IT infrastructure, and it also includes ERP, CRM, and production control um, to support the business growth and to improve the flexibility while controlling operational costs. Like ACME has adopted a hybrid cloud strategy that combines its on-premises infrastructure with AWS cloud services. So the implementation focuses on establishing secure network connectivity between Acme's local environment and AWS through a site-to-site VPN connection. This is actually encrypted link which ensures that it is safe and reliable communication between both infrastructure and security. So security is refined with AWS identity and access management IAM, security groups and network to protect sensitive company data. We use them to to protect the company's data, and all configures were performed using AWS console, closely simulated and real-time world deployment scenario. So additionally, we utilized the AWS solution library, which offers pre-built solutions from AWS and its partners to support the industry specific use cases. So the all the connectivity network, all the connections and the details will be provided by my group mates.
So coming to the next part, we have the hybrid cloud and network architecture. And in this project, we implemented the secure and scalable hybrid cloud networks that are manufacturing by the connectivity on their premises and in infrastructure to AWS cloud using site-to-site VPN. And site-to-site VPN is a setup that enables a seamless and secure, reliable communication between the premises and system and cloud-based services, and is also public cloud resource to form a unified scalable environment that uses solutions like AWS virtual private clouds and Amazon E2C, S3 and RDS, and overall performance of connectivity of VPC. And we started by creating a virtual cloud network, we can say VPC, with both public and private subnets on the AWS. And on the AWS, we also create the VCG. It was created and attached to the VPC, but it is not working fully because we don't have authorization. We have also get many access denied to, you can't have a subscription model. So we can do that whatever we get. And we also get the customer gateway CWG was set up to represent on the premises router. And coming to next slide, and the next slide, we have the secure site-to-site VPN setup. First, we created the VPC subnets that we already I said, and after that we create a VCG virtual private network, and after that we get the access denied, but we can move forward about the setup customer gateway. And after we done the VPN key action, it is done by easily. And after we update the tables and validate connections at how we connect with each other, and after that the site-to-site VPN connection was then established using static routing. Sorry. And after that we configured route tables to allow traffic between both environment and validated the VPN tunnel by successful bidirectional communication. And coming to next we have the hybrid security measures. In this level the security is enforced at multiple levels, and also we have the AWS Qualtrial and VPS flow transmissions, IAM roles, but we can't get IAM roles because also the security issues. To ensure the data security, we implemented AES 256 encryption, and also we use the IAM roles and minimal permissions and MFA that enable AWS key management services. We call the KMS for encrypting data as REST. And we also applied the strict security groups, and strict security groups are be done easily, and but not too much complex, but easily we can done. And we also have the network ACLs, CrowdTrials, VPC flow logs for monitoring. And also we have along with CloudWatch alarms for instructions and detections. And this hybrid setup provides ACME with flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, forming a secure foundation for cloud migrations and service expansions. Have the CloudFront deployment, and overall the security measures are good. So the next part will continue my team members.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the migration of enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management system to AWS, a critical steps in modernizing IT infrastructure and enabling business agility. We have adopted a structural cloud migration strategy to ensure minimal disruption and maximum benefit. In this setup, three key AWS services from the backbone of our deployment are used: Amazon EC2, Amazon RDS, and Amazon S3. Let me walk you through each component. First, Amazon EC2 or Elastic Compute Cloud is used to host the application layer for ERP and CRM systems. EC2 provides resizable virtual machines in the cloud, allowing us to scale up or down based on usage demands. We leverage Amazon machine images and key page to launch and manage our instance securely and efficiently. This flexibility ensures that our applications run reliably and cost efficiently. And next, uh, just give me a sec. This flexibility ensures that our applications run reliably and non-cost efficiently. Next, Amazon RDS. The relationship database service manages our underlying database system. ODS offers fully managed relational database with built-in multi-availability zone support. This feature is crucial for high availability and disaster recovery. In case of any failure, RDS can automatically fail over to a standby instance in another availability zone, ensuring business continuity with minimal downtime. And finally, we use Amazon S3 or Simple Storage Service for storing files and backup. S3 is an object storage solution known for its scalability, durability, and flexibility with lifecycle policies and fine-grained access control. We can efficiently manage storage costs and enforce security best practices. By integrating these AWS services, our ERP and CRM system now benefit from enhanced scalability, reliability, and optional efficiency, laying a strong foundation for further growth, future growth, and innovation. And next topic will be discussed by my teammates.
EC2 and RDS and S3 bucket. Amazon EC2 provide resizable virtual machines in the cloud scalable VM instance using key pairs and AMIS. RDS manage the relationship database with multi-agent support. Multi-agent provides high availability by automatically replacing the database to standby instance in different availability zones. S3 S3 bucket objective storage with lifecycle and access control. It is highly scalable and durable objective storage services for storing files and backups. Next. So scalability strategies. In scalability strategies, computing the scalability is achievement by auto-scaling and state EC2 instance. Database scalability involves using Amazon RDS read to for heavy workloads. In general scalability, ensure that infrastructure can adapt to change demands. Next part will be presented by my teammate.
Gurpreet, the high availability is also your part. So that should be continued by you. Your voice is not audible.
Ensuring high availability. High availability grants continuous operation during failures, achieves high availability throughout multi-agent deployments where services are distributed across availability of zones. High availability provides elasticity, load balancing, distribution, traffic efficiency, and route 5.3 routing ensure traffic direction through our stages. High availability also help us to manage, minimize downtime, and enhance reliance. Next part will be explained by my teammate. I-
Janvi, please unmute.
Am I audible? Sorry. So, cost optimizing techniques. Our primary goal is to modernize the IT ecosystem without increasing the operational overhead. So, to achieve this, we have adopted the cost effective hybrid solution that strategically blends on premises infrastructure with AWS cloud services. As Rishabh mentioned about the site to site VPN, and Ajay also talked about the Amazon EC2, RDS, and S3, where these provide, I mean, these handle and compute the databases and the storage needs. So EC2 provides scalable virtual machines. RDS offers managed relational database with multi-AZ failures. And S3 delivers durable object storage. For predictable workloads like ERP, saving plans help to reduce the costs like up to 72 to 75% compared to non-demand pricing. Additionally, S3 intelligent tiering automatically moves data between frequent and infrequent access tiers, so improving the storage cost efficiency. AWS Direct Connect ensures low latency, high bandwidth connectivity between our factories and the cloud, which reduces the data transfer costs. To like further, can you please move to the next slide, please? So for the monitoring and managing, the hybrid network is vital to ensure their performance, uptime, and security. Our strategy includes AWS native tools like CloudWatch for collecting metrics, setting alarms, and real-time log analysis, and CloudTrail for auditing API activity. We also integrate our premises tools such as PRTG, network monitor, and system log servers. For centralized monitoring, we have implemented Amazon OpenSearch for unified log analytics. Additionally, network path monitoring is done using VPN logs and CloudWatch metrics. Incident response is handled through well configured alarms, while AWS config manages resource configuration and supports the compliance auditing. So, lastly, we have done the training and documentation, which ensures the teams were prepared for troubleshooting, monitoring, and incident management in the hybrid environment. So, yeah, so I could pass to the next group mate, please.
I'm going to walk through the AWS CloudFront implementation. We've been setting up S3 bucket to store our static content. This includes files like HTML, CSS, image, and JavaScript. S3 provides scalable and reliable for these resources. Next, we have created CloudFront distribution. CloudFront is AWS content delivery network that helps us deliver to our content to users all over the world. It's does by the cache content at location close to the users. Then we apply to HTTPS and SSL certificate to our content is securely delivered and that all data transfer between the user and CloudFront encryption is essential step for building trust and secure communication. Finally, we restricted access to the S3 bucket using origin access control. This means the content can only access through the CloudFront, not directly from that bucket. It's a key security measure to protect our file to unauthorized access. So in summary, we have set up, stored and distributed it globally. Next, I will briefly explain about CloudFront security and monitoring. To enhance security, we have implemented AWS WAF. WAF is nothing but Web Application Firewall to protect our CloudFront distribution. This helps to block like SQL injection and cross-site using managed rules provide AWS. We also enable origin access control, which ensure that only CloudFront can access the S3 bucket. This efficiently provides unauthorized public access. For monitoring, we are using Amazon CloudWatch to track a real-time track metrics such as error rates and request control. That's all.